The Weather Extreme video, the morning edition for Thursday, the 2nd of March. I'm James Spann. The upper trough that brought the storms yesterday, the cold front long gone, a cool, stable air mass dropping in here. We go below freezing Saturday morning. Next chance of rain about Tuesday of next week. Let's go in there and check things out early this morning. That big trough is progressive, moving on to the east. Most of the storms yesterday, in terms of the problems we had, involved hail. Thankfully, no tornadoes in our part of the state, no reports of damaging wind. It's colder this morning, 39 for Fort Payne and Cullman, Birmingham 42. The high today will be around 60, despite the sun being out in full force. That's below average for early March. And it's pretty cold up north. They're sitting around 0 on the Canadian border, and that cold air keeps on dropping south. And tomorrow morning will be in the low 30s, and Saturday morning we expect to be in the upper 20s as the weekend begins. But nice and quiet around the nation this morning. Wind advisories for parts of the northeast United States, and that's really about it. This is the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Thursday morning of next week, about 1/2 inch. And again, that next chance of rain will be Tuesday and Tuesday night, as you will see. So, model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run, noon today, troughing over the east. 1032 high over Arkansas. A north breeze, a sunny day, and a cool day. And again, the high will be around 60. Tomorrow, we start the day in the low to mid-30s. The high will be somewhere between 57 and 60. As the cool, dry weather continues, the sky sunny. Saturday, the morning's going to be cold. Lows between 27 and 31 for most spots. The day will be sunny with a high in the low 60s. Sunday, the winds veer into the south. We'll be in the mid to upper 60s. We'll call it partly sunny. I think the day will be dry. And then Monday, rain to the west. A deep surface low is over Minnesota. And we'll be approaching 70 Monday. More than likely, the day will stay dry. But Tuesday, we go wet with a cold front coming in. Now, this time, the surface low is almost up at Hudson Bay. I mean, it's way, way far north of here. So I guess there might be a gusty thunderstorm with this, but again, the overall severe weather threat looking relatively low unless some type of secondary low forms farther to the south. This is Tuesday night at midnight. The rain beginning to move out of northwest Alabama. So there's your next chance of rain. And then Wednesday will be cool and dry. The sky becoming sunny, and the high will probably drop into the 50s. Temperature anomalies, you can see we go below average. Here's a week from today, Thursday, the 10th of March. The 9th of March. That big vortex over Canada, and for us, a cool, dry air mass settling in here. In fact, we might be below freezing. The latest GFS printing 33 that morning. The high will be in the low 60s. Here's the end of the forecast period. This is Saturday, March 11th. A zonal flow and a dry air mass, nice and quiet. Now, these numbers coming off the European ensemble, you can see that spike down Saturday morning. And again, I think most everybody goes below freezing. It doesn't really reflect that next cool down toward the end of next week, but I do think we could see maybe another run at a freeze by, say, Thursday or Friday morning of next week. And again, the ensemble data, that averages out to all the various members. I think the European has almost 50 members. But we'll see. But the bottom line is daytime highs look pretty good with highs in the 60s. That is average for this time of the year. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can't catch us this evening on the live stream or on TV. ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.